Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Introduction to Trigonometry. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
The given question is express the trigonometric ratios sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. That means we are going to rewrite the given equation sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. So let's see how we are doing that. Guys, we very well know that. What we know? We know that some of the famous trigonometric identities or ratios or whatever we call, we know that I believe we all know by this time. What we know? We know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And we also know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. And one more thing, we also know that cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Even if we are not using these things, but I'm writing it down so that if required, we can use these things. Now guys, let's see what is the given question is. The given question is like sin A, sec A and tan A. And we are going to represent these things in the instead of sin A, sec A and tan A, we are going to represent these things in the form of cot A. Okay, now guys, we know that tan A, let us start with tan A. We know that tan A is equal to 1 upon cot A. This is what we very well know. So this is what we could easily, we proved that tan A is equal to 1 upon cot A. This is number 1. We are able to prove that tan A is equal to cot A, 1 upon cot A. This is very simple as this. Now let us see, focus our attention with sin A. How we are going to move to prove sin A. So sin A is equal to 1 upon cosec A. We know this one. Guys, if you do not know, try to remember these things. These things are really important, very important for us. Okay, so we know that sin A is equal to 1 upon cosec A, or that is equal to what I can write. You could easily imagine. If you look here, we got cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, or I can say cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. From this last equation or from this last identity, we know cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, or we can write cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So let me put it here so that we know very well this one. So we got cosec square theta is minus cot square theta is equal to 1, or I can write cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, or I can write cosec theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta root over. And I'm considering this thing as positive because we are always assuming that this theta lies between 0 to 90 degree, that is acute angle. So what we got? We got cosec theta is equal to root over of 1 plus cot square theta. Let us use that one here. So I can write sin A is equal to 1 upon 1 plus cot square A root over. So this is what we got, and this is what question asked us to find out. So for sin A, we are able to convert this one as 1 upon root over of 1 plus cot square A. Let us put it as 2. Now guys, we are left with sec theta. We already proved that tan A is equal to 1 upon cot A, and we proved that sin A is equal to 1 upon root over of 1 plus cot square A. Now let us look at sec A. If you look at sec A, but before that, you could see that what we got sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So let us derive sec theta from that one. We got we got sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, or I can write sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, or I can write sec theta is equal to root over of 1 plus tan square theta. Guys, now we don't require tan theta because our question wants us to represent all these things in the form of cot theta. So guys, we know that cot theta is nothing but 1 upon tan theta. You could see from equation 1 here, cot theta is tan theta is tan A is equal to 1 upon cot A. So that is what I'm going to use here. So sec A, theta and A. So because it is given, answer question is given in A, so I'm taking it as A. So sec A is equal to 1 plus 1 upon cot square A. I hope till we are pretty clear. What I did, just replace the tan square theta as 1 upon cot square A. Now guys, you could see that, or further we can solve this one. We can further solve this one is sec A is equal to, or sec A is equal to cot square A plus 1 upon cot square A root over, or I can write sec A is equal to cot square A plus 1 root over upon cot A, because root over of cot square A is cot A, so just cot A is left outside instead of inside the root, so we are got with cot square A plus 1 upon cot A. Now guys, I can, so you could see that this is what we got, so I can write it here also. Sec A is equal to cot square A plus 1 root over upon cot A. This is equal to number 3. So guys, we are able to, you could see that we are able to prove what is being asked, everything in terms of cot. You could see that first it was given sine A. So what we got, sine A is equal to 1 upon 1 plus cot square A from equation number 1, and we got sec A is equal to cot square A plus 1 root over upon cot A, and tan A, we got tan A is equal to 1 upon cot A. So these are the three things we are able to convert these three ratios into cot, whatever is being asked in the questions. So guys, hope you are able to, hope you understood what how I am able to derive these ratios into cot. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.